Yes, first time, rather second time checking out my AI glasses. And yeah, see how it come out. Only thing I don't like about these glasses, you can't zoom in and out. But other than that, they pretty good. They pretty much come in handy. Also, it translates to different languages, Spanish, Turkish. Also in 1 minute intervals. So it'll record for 1 minute, stop, press record again. Not bad. You can also look at a particular item and it'll tell you what that item is and what it's about. So that's pretty cool. So I'm giving it a test here along Belt Parkway. As you can see, the Belt Parkway, the cars, and you can see the river. You can see Verrazano Bridge. But yeah, I'm giving it giving these glasses test drive, you know. See how the footage come out on this wonderful, beautiful day that God has given me, you know. So I'm thankful every second, every month, every minute, every hour, every year, every day. I am truly thankful. Yep. But this is, look at the ocean. This is God's creation. I give thanks. You know why I give thanks? Because I could be in so many other people predicaments. You know, in the hospital, can't see, no legs. People don't have places to stay. So many things you could be thankful for. I have a lot of wants, but God gives me all of my needs. And He also gives me some of my wants. So I'm above ground, I try not to complain. I don't mean to complain. A lot to be thankful for. Yep. So I'm just getting a little exercise on my electric bike. But as you can see, there's no electric on, so I'm getting a real workout. But I'm going to stop at BJ's on the way back, and then I'll turn on the electric. I don't want to struggle with that grocery on that bike. Yeah. I got some coming through. Yeah. Yep. You waiting for Edmundo, you're going to be waiting a long time. If Mundo tell you 3 p.m., that means 7 p.m. That's just the way he operates. That's his MO. Mundo's a hot mess, boy. All right, y'all, I'm tired of talking. I'm going to keep riding along. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And that's all the words I know to that song. For y'all. But I know the rest of it. Why is Saturday and Sunday the strongest days? I'm waiting. Come on. I'm gonna give you some time to think about it. Why is Saturday and Sunday the strongest days? Come on now. dun, 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 dun. Well, the answer is, I'll start it over. Why is Saturday and Sunday the strongest days?
Why Friday
You know
and Saturday?
why? Because Monday
Through
are the
Friday.
strongest days, because Monday through Friday are weekdays. If you didn't get it, you're slow. Yep, I'm almost by the Verrazano Bridge, you know. Yep. As you can see here, still no electricity. Yeah. Getting a little burn in my legs, in my thighs, you know, but it's all good. It's all good. Woo. Hot fun in the summertime. Hot fun in the summertime. Oh yeah. Hot fun in the summertime. Y'all know who made that record? Give me the answer. It's my father's favorite group, Sly and the Family Stone. Sly was a hot mess. Yep. I'm close to that Verrazano. See, still no electricity, but yeah, I'm almost at the Verrazano. I wish they had put a bike lane on the Verrazano. I'm almost
Actually,
there.
for the pedestrians as well.
See how this guy's jogging? That's how I jog. Just like that. I ain't tearing my knees up. I need my knees. Yep. Yep. That's right. Turning it back around. I done made it to
My eyes.
right under the Verrazano Bridge, so now I'm gonna head back. All right, we start heading back now. Woo. All right. I'm heading back. What that remind you of? Something you've been doing a long time. Shadow nightclub. Now it's that shadow boat ride. Woo.